Yo, wagwan guys, welcome back to the channel again. This is �𝐇𝐀𝐓, what did I miss? So normally when I do a reaction, I don't listen to the song them over here first before doing the reaction. So I'm liable to miss a lot. So I'm gonna go back in a 𝐇𝐀𝐓 song and see if I miss anything where I need to explain a bit more. Alright? If you get anything wrong in the comment section, you guys are there to help me out. Alright? So I'm gonna jump in and ask you, wagwan. 𝐇𝐀𝐓, control. What did I miss? Let's go. I'm not wearing my headphone because I want to listen to it without headphones. Man say, yo, Mrs. say you don't want your soul. From your, this Gaza done, bro, a problem for you. The man say, yo, Mrs. say you don't want your soul, you know. So guess what? Me the soul reaper, so I gotta come reap it for you. Lose my mind, have a Virgin Island. Huh? Hey, now? Lose my mind, have a Virgin Island. The curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. Curse my bloodline, so I'm certain for kill. So, yo, as some demonic shit, the man I tell you right to say no dog. Virgin Island, the curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. Why about your bloodline, totally get them some new series. Let me sit down and watch it. Be a killer without a one rush. Run a bumbo every born in here, bro. Come around, 3 pieces in 9 cut. Come around, give me smoking, I jut. Yeah, no man. Yeah, no man, me I try to listen too carefully. 𝐇𝐀𝐓, me get to your stylist, but if you're not careful, massacre, I go kill you with clarity, bro. We need you to calm. We need you to calm. We know say I rage when I do them song, yeah, and I rage name a psycho, but we have to listen too closely, bro. I'm me not like it. Be a killer without a one rush. Run a bumbo every born in here, bro. Come around, 3 pieces in 9 cut. Come around, give me smoking, I jut. Make it up, empty the clip and reload the turbo down, put in the piece of smoke more. Wait, no man. Wait, me know I miss something now. Yeah, bro. Come around, 3 pieces in 9 cut. Come around, give me smoking, I jut. Make it up, empty the clip and reload the turbo down, put in the piece of smoke more. The better down, funny well line in I road. The lumber down in a nasty this short. Gravy memory of funny so GPRs in every murder. I do some calculations, force rep 𝐸𝐷𝐀𝐀𝐓. So I was having a conversation with one of my brethren earlier, and I'm gonna tell him, say, yo, this is the first me see this. Like that song is like it catchy, but you don't catch everything what I say. It catchy, but you can't hear everything clearly what I say. At the first me hear that song like this, bro. No little boy can give girls a chance. Be what I be, don't be what I not. And no size up with it done, ayy. I wanna see you know why so. I'm in this car that and everything only for anything no, anything no, anything no. Really breeze me walk me. Lose my mind, I fucking Virgin Island. The curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. Why about your bloodline, totally get them some new series. Let me sit down and watch it. Be a killer without a one rush. Run a bumbo every born in here, bro. Come around, 3 pieces in 9 cut. Come around, give me smoking, I jut. Make it up, empty the clip and reload the turbo down, put in the piece of smoke more. Obviously, the video is all based around the graphic image, the rockstar graphic image, and in a massacre song vein. He might tell 𝐇𝐀𝐓, say, yo, stop dancing up yourself. Yeah, go, rare. You see a lot of movements are going in the video where 𝐇𝐀𝐓 had done. Lumber down in a nasty this throat. Some explain the part earlier on when I say Cologne at Tom Ford kick off your bitch nose and him gear her backers and clock the AK. Me explain all of that earlier on already.
a bitch. Control me, half the control. Psycho man, roll me, half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man, roll me, half the control. Control me, half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man, roll me, half the control. Roll me, half the control. Soon a hole when the corner shoot. Duck off a lonely tune in my hammer suit. When the hammer move, the hammer move. Cap up the bomb, I like in the commander movie. Control. Soon a hole when the corner shoot. Duck off a lonely tune in my hammer suit. When the hammer move, the hammer move. Cap up the bomb, I like in the commander movie. Ever have a thought me, ever have a ruthless man. Find a yard, I'm a killer, my movie. Line a dog. Hammer move, the hammer move. Cap up the bomb, I like in the commander movie. Ever have a thought me, ever have a ruthless man. Find a yard, I'm a killer, my movie. Line a dog, they like a Call of Duty. My kind of dog, I'm a killer, my movie. Line a dog, they like a Call of Duty. My kind of dog, 𝐿𝐸𝐿 you jumba rumba, you run up no bumba. You jumba rumba, you the end of rumble. So you don't know shut a comfy fungus. Shots it down, you turn over rumble.
Wait, I'm saying, so, wait. What gonna say? How I play? Wait, no man. How does I play, sir? How the fuck does I play? How long does I play? How the blood slap? I never know that I play, bro. What? Yo, what the fuck I play a while ago? I never know that. Anyway. So you don't know shut a comfy fungus. Shots it down, you turn over rumble. You aroma swag, you make it cloud and dark up. Conga, when it hunger. No one on work, the boy, I call my size up in the air. Anyway, the big mama, but I can't touch the back. He make massacre, look like mosquito. Some incendiary bully, where we drop liver. He could have flash sticker, he make Nazi black. See when he does, tell me what's his own just sticker. He make Cops River, I am Black River. Tell no rapid if I had to pass vaccine. There's a figure for me gun, we just go feet and murder. The man say, you know, a rapid fire, knock off all vaccine back. Back of a vaccine boss, he man say, yo, the rifle knock and clear off the back of the vaccine. Tell no rapid if I had to pass vaccine. There's a figure for me gun, we just go feet and murder. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Everybody is half the control, me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control, me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the. Everybody is half the control, me half the control. To bring me down, say me love it, about the money to bring me down, baby. Psycho man roll me half the. Everybody is half the control, me half the control. To bring me down, say me love it, about the money to bring me down, baby. I love me half the control, me half the control. Me boss me whole of God. Alright, so let me say my piece on the song, you know. Song bad, song full of lyrics. But I trade myself to listen to hard, and I'm not the only person who thinks that. Speaking to others today, throughout the day, people are telling me the same thing, say the song bad. So I even, like I said earlier, and I even said to myself, like, that song is one of the only song I hear where you can't hear everything what I say because of the tone where I'm singing at. But the energy, the vibe, everything are bunks. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's a crazy song. It's a crazy song. And song like this, family, if you go and stay in that vibe, yeah, make the editor then put subtitles on it. Make the editor then put subtitles on it so we can break down everything what you say. Because I can't hear everything what you say. Me can't hear everything what you say, but me fuck with the song bad. The song bad, the song dark, the song graphic. You see me? Yeah, hard to control it. Bad. It's sick. So, yeah. This was my first episode of What Did I Miss? And I did mention a lot in the first one. That's why I didn't pause it a lot here. So, if you don't want to check that out, go and check it out. It's pinned at the end of this. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.